I used to spend 3 hours Googling competitors, saving tabs, and trying to make sense of it all. Now I do the same research in 10 minutes using AI deep research tools. In this video, I'll show you the 3 tools that changed how I research and exactly how to use them. Here's what business research used to look like. You open 20 browser tabs, read through articles, try to pull out the important numbers, and by the end you've got a messy document that still needs organizing. The new way is completely different. You tell an AI tool what you need to know, it searches the entire web for you, reads everything, and delivers a structured report with sources. Let me show you the 3 tools that make this possible. Tool number 1, Perplexity Pro. This is where most of my research starts. You type a question like what are the top 5 competitors in the organic pet food space and what are their price points, and Perplexity searches the web in real time, reads the results, and gives you a clear answer with citations. Every claim links back to a source you can verify. The free version is solid for basic lookups. Pro at $20 a month gives you unlimited searches and access to the most powerful models. For competitive research, pricing analysis, and quick fact-checking, nothing beats it. Tool number 2, ChatGPT Deep Research. This is different from regular ChatGPT. When you activate Deep Research mode, it doesn't just answer your question. It browses dozens of websites, reads full articles, cross-references data, and compiles everything into a long, detailed report. I've used it to generate 30-page competitive analyses that would have taken a consultant days to produce. You can ask it to research a market, analyze trends, compare pricing strategies, or prepare a client briefing. The output is structured with headers, bullet points, and source links. This feature requires a ChatGPT Plus subscription at $20 a month. For anyone doing serious research, it pays for itself in the first use. Tool number 3, Google Notebook LM. This is the secret weapon. Take all that research from Perplexity and ChatGPT, drop it into Notebook LM, and it does 2 incredible things. First, it synthesizes everything into a clean summary, highlighting connections you might have missed. Second, it generates an audio overview. 2 AI hosts discuss your research like a podcast episode. You can listen to a 10-minute briefing on your commute instead of reading 50 pages. Notebook LM is completely free. This alone makes it worth adding to your workflow. Let me walk you through exactly how I do this. Step 1. I open Perplexity and ask for a market overview. Something like what are the top 5 direct-to-consumer supplement brands, their estimated revenue, and their marketing channels. Perplexity gives me a quick summary in about 30 seconds. Step 2. I take those results and go deeper with ChatGPT Deep Research. I paste in what Perplexity found and say now do a comprehensive competitive analysis of these 5 brands, including pricing, positioning, customer reviews, and weaknesses. Deep Research goes to work for about 2 to 3 minutes and comes back with a detailed report. Step 3. I copy everything into Notebook LM, add any other documents I have, and hit Generate Audio Overview. 5 minutes later, I have a podcast-style briefing I can listen to. Total time, under 10 minutes for research that used to take half a day. One important warning. These tools are incredibly powerful, but they can get things wrong. Always check the source links. If a number seems too good to be true, verify it. Cross-reference important claims across multiple sources. Think of AI as your research assistant, not the final authority. It does the heavy lifting, but you make the final call. Especially before putting numbers in a client proposal or business plan. If this saved you time, subscribe and turn on notifications. I share practical AI workflows every week that help you get more done in less time. Drop a comment and tell me what kind of research you do most often. I might build a dedicated workflow for it. See you in the next video.